Today, on the sacred occasion of Vivekananda Jayanti, we remember the great visionary Swami Vivekananda, whose words continue to ignite the spirit of India's youth. He believed that youth are not the future of the nation, they are the nation itself. Swami Vivekananda taught us to believe in ourselves, to rise the above fear, weakness and doubt. He said, "Arise, awake and stop not, till the goal is reached." Today's that goal is Vikasit Bharat, a strong India, a self-reliant India, an innovative and inclusive India. Youth of India, your energy, skills, discipline and character will decide the destiny of this nation. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, farmer, sportsperson or professional, national building begins with self-building. Knowledge with character, technology with ethics, power with compassion. This is the India Swami Vivekananda envisioned. Let us take a pledge today to be skilled, disciplined and socially responsible, to reject shortcuts and corruption, to work hard, innovate and serve society. Where Vikasit Bharat will not be built by words alone, it will be built by youth. You dream big and act with integrity. On this Vivekananda Jayanti, let us resolve strong youth, strong nation, Vikasit Bharat. Jai Hind.